Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a pimple care kit from the brand Kisra. This is how the kit looks like. This kit has a pimple care soap, a pimple care face wash and a cream which is for your pimples and dark circles. So let's talk about these products one by one. The products of Kisra are available on Amazon and Flipkart. So I'll put the link in the description box. It'll be easier for you to locate them. You can also subscribe to their YouTube channel, which is Kisra Beauty Co. I'll put the link in the description box. This is the first product and this is the Kisra Pimple Care Face Wash. This will reduce pimples in 7 days. One thing I would like to mention over here is that these products work amazingly. I have personally tried these products for like one and a half week and they work amazingly. This actually works. And I am the living proof of this. This works. This says fast and strong action on pimples and oil control. This helps in clearing out pimple causing germs. This refreshes dull and tired skin, brightens complexion, controls acne, blackheads and whiteheads. This lightens your acne scars and marks. This removes excess oil and sebum from your face and also fights the 6 signs of aging. This also calms your skin by reducing acne flare-ups. This 40 ml of product retails for 99 rupees. So let's open this. This has an amazing fragrance. This smells like, I don't know, this has a like citrusy kind of a fragrance, and this is the texture. This is a gel-like texture, a transparent gel-like texture. This doesn't lather a lot, but definitely your face will feel very fresh and very clean, and this fragrance is so nice and mild and it lingers on your face for some time, so you actually feel very refreshed because this fragrance is very refreshing. You can use this face wash once or twice per day. So you have to just use it like any basic face wash. Just wet your face and just take a little amount on your palm, just make a lather and massage it on your face gently. Don't be very harsh on your skin, just massage it gently for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. So let's just see a demo of this. This controls oil and sebum production from your face, and also at the same time this doesn't dry out your skin. So this is very good for people who have either dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin. This is good for all skin types. This is the second product and this is the Kisra Pimple Care Soap, Miracle of Face. And the 75 grams of soap bar retails for 99 rupees. And this also says for your last pimple. Let's see. So this is how the soap looks like, and I have already used this soap as I told you, and this works amazingly. I'm again saying this, if you have acne on your face or even if you have acne on your body, like if you have it on your back or something, you can definitely use this soap. Within 1 or 2 days you will be able to see the difference. It's that effective. This also has a very nice and mild refreshing kind of a fragrance. If I have to compare the fragrance, it will be somewhat similar to, you know, a lemony kind of a fragrance. So yeah, this smells very good, and this makes a lot of lather. Like for people who like a lot of lather while bathing or while washing face, you are going to enjoy this because this gives a lot of lather. And the application is same, just like you apply any soap. Just wet your face and, you know, make a lather out of it and just massage it on your face gently. So let's just see a demo of this soap as well. This is the third product, and this is the Kisra Pimple Care Cream. This 15 grams of product retails for 109 rupees. This cream will reduce your pimples, and this will also reduce your dark circles. So yeah, you have to apply this cream twice a day, once in the morning and once before sleeping. If you don't want to keep this overnight, you can keep this for good 2 to 4 hours on your face and then wash it off with lukewarm water. The fragrance of this cream is also very nice. This smells very, the products of this brand are smelling so good, like I'm actually liking it. This is the texture of the cream. This doesn't feel oily at all, and if you massage your under eyes with this cream, not only that will reduce dark circles, it will also diminish fine lines. You have to use this cream on your entire face for best results. So do give these 3 products a try if you're suffering from any sort of acne or pimple. This is my personal experience. I have used it and this works very well. This not only reduces your acne scars, but also if you have any existing acne on your face, will dry that out within a day or so. This is that effective. I will highly recommend this to people who are having acne or acne prone skin. I'll highly recommend this to you. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.